Tings, that's Barbie Tings. Barbie dream house, Barbie rings.
Hi guys, it's your girl Cantu Come. What's good? I'm back with another video. In this video, I just show you how I moisturize my hair before I get it into a style. So if you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. Oh, hey, so if you watched my previous video, you'd see how I got my twist in the middle. So I'm just quickly redoing that. And then I start with my spray, which is castor oil, extra virgin olive oil and water. Just shake it up, otherwise the oil just sits on top of the water. And then I just part my hair just to moisturize it, just to make sure I'm getting every piece of my hair. So I just massage it in with my hands, spray it on the ends, and then I use my detangling comb just to run through my curls. I like to start from the root to the tip, and then if there's no knots, I just go to the tip. This is my coconut curling cream. Just moisturize it flat and massage it in. And this is my Cantu Oil Shine the Hold Mist. Spray it all over, and then with my brush it through. See how easy it is to brush through because it's nice and wet. This comeback curl, so good guys. The only annoying thing, I feel like it's heavy, so it sits on the hair, so it drips a lot. But it makes your curls come back, girl. And I do exactly the same, just to the top part of my hair. I just want to say, if you guys watched my last video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I know it was a bit budget, because it's my first one I ever did. But we're going to improve. It's a work in progress. And then I just comb everything through all together. And then with my hard brush, I just brush out the front of my hair just to try and get all the hairs together. And then I use the Eco Styler gel. This is the Super Protein, it's the brown black one. I actually prefer the olive oil one, but this is the one I'm using at the moment. But the olive oil one in the green bottle, yeah, that's the one. The key to my edges. Always have a refill, sis, always. So any loose hairs, just brush it down again. And I do exactly the same to the other side. Yeah, My mum just came in, just talking. I don't know if you saw, but I just used a flannel just to wipe off some of the excess, I guess, spray that was on top of my head, because the edge control doesn't always work when my hair's really wet. So I just used the flannel just to take some of it off. So you can either leave it like this, or this is how I get a one bun. Just a hairband, I just cut it in half and tie it around the 2 buns and just tie it up. Now I like to stretch these hairbands out beforehand, because when they're new they can hurt your head because they're really tight. And thanks for watching. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, show your mum, show your sister, show your little cousin, show everyone, help a sister out, and thanks.
I'm in my prime, optimist, Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist. Man, keep it